Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Social Tool 101. Today, we're diving into two powerful tools in Excel: text to columns. These features can save you loads of time when working with data. Let's get started. Imagine you have a list of full names in one column, and you want to split them into first and last names. Here's how to do it. Highlight the column with your data. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click on Text to Columns. Choose between delimited or fixed width. In our case, we'll select delimited because the names are separated by a space. Check the box for space as the delimiter and see how Excel previews the split. Click Finish, and voila! Your data is split into two columns. That's it for today's tutorial. With text to columns, you can save tons of time and impress your colleagues with your Excel wizardry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Social Tool 101, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. See you in the next one.